The Web3 Foundation is formed to help bring Web3 to life. Web3 is this set of protocols, set of technologies that will enable us to build widely used decentralized applications. So, for instance, something like Decentralized Uber, where a globally used decentralized Uber, where every single person in the world could make use of it and be part of the protocol. So in order to bring Web3 to life, we need to think what needs need to be fulfilled for developers for them to build decentralized applications. For that, we need a set of protocols that support all the right characteristics. So they need to have, those protocols need to have enough throughput, need to provide the right capabilities. So for instance, blockchains, as they currently stand, do not provide enough throughput to build globally used decentralized applications. So we need to really think, to build Web3, we need to really think what is the set of protocols that will underpin the decentralized applications of the future. So I think it's very interesting to see new projects being live. So a lot of the systems that people are designing are pretty complex, and it's very hard to predict how they will behave out in the wild. So I think it will be a great things like Gnosis deployment or Golem and other projects that will be launched soon will show us exactly what are the different trade-offs that you can make when you're designing a new protocol. Whenever we are designing the crypto economic protocols, and we have to be aware that there are certain security assumptions to all of those, and this is the case for all the existing blockchains and any other technologies that people are building on top of them. Currently, most of the systems that we make use of make use of some centralized party or a centralized intermediary that is directing interaction between many users. Even solutions that do work well, so most of the time, for instance, banking system, they require huge oversight in order to actually function properly. There is regulators, there is auditors that need to always make sure that the system is functioning correctly. With Web3, we have the potential to make those massively multi-user systems have much less friction and lower the cost of interaction, lower the cost of coordination in general. So we can cut out the cost of making sure that those systems act in a predictable manner, or we can prevent some of the failures or security or pricing failures of the centralized systems.